everybody. Hope you're having a great day. I got a brand new training today. I actually have a fun week of trainings for you guys. First and foremost, we're going to be talking about 3 ways to better optimize your LinkedIn profile. There are some things that you can add to it to make sure that it's optimized the right way. That's number 1. Number 2, we're going to be talking about an update on Thursday to LinkedIn Creator Mode. So there's some new updates to that that have taken place between February and March. So somewhat new, but just want to make sure everybody is understanding and is on board with that. So we do have a lot to cover today. So buckle up and let's dive on in. So hey everybody, Scott Aaron here. If I'm coming through loud and clear, if you can see me and hear me clearly, please do drop a Y or a yes in the comments below. Again, this is going to be important because a lot of people need to understand how to best to optimize their LinkedIn profile, because at the end of the day, for those that didn't know this, LinkedIn is a search engine. And now more than ever, you're actually able to be found not just on LinkedIn, but you're also able to be found on Google, on Yahoo, and Bing if you optimize your LinkedIn profile the right way. There are some deeper SEO capabilities and things that you should do, and we're going to talk about 3 of them today. Now, as always, if anybody would like to download my free LinkedIn Perfect Profile infograph, all you have to do is drop the word free in the comments at any point, live or on the replay, and I will send you that link. So again, if you're coming on late, please do say hi and where you're tuning in from, or hashtag live, hashtag replay. If you are watching this on the replay, tag some people, share this video, like, love, support, react and respond to this any which way you want. And please don't forget to head over to my LinkedIn profile, hit my follow button, and turn my LinkedIn notification bell on. Now, the one thing that I do want to remind people, the first aspect of properly optimizing your LinkedIn profile is customizing your profile URL. So if you knew or know how to do this, drop a Y or a yes. If you have never heard of the customizable profile URL for LinkedIn, type an N or a no, because I did a poll on this about a week or 2 ago, and a couple people didn't. I mean, I would say about 60 to 70% of the people did not know how to customize their LinkedIn profile URL, and I kind of wanted to give you a little tutorial of actually what that looks like. So I'm going to share my screen really quickly, and I'm going to show you right up here, you will see where it says public profile URL. Public profile URL. Now, when you look at this, right, you can see mine says linkedin.com/IN/Scott Aaron Coach. That is my personalized public URL. Now, if you've never changed it, it will say some long, basically it'll say your account number with like some lowercase letters, some uppercase letters, and then a dash, and then your first and last name. It'll say all of that. Now, to customize it, all you have to do is click on this little edit pencil right here, and it's going to take you where you can actually update your profile. And right here, it'll show you personalize the URL for your profile. And then all you have to do is click on this little edit pencil, and it'll say your custom URL must contain 3 to 100 letters or numbers. Please do not use spaces, symbols, or special characters. So right here, this part right here is what you would actually Customize. So you can put Scott Aaron Consulting, Scott Aaron Coach, Coach Scott Aaron, Consultant Scott Aaron, Scott Aaron LinkedIn Coaching, whatever you want your custom URL to be, that will better optimize your LinkedIn profile, because when someone types in your name on Google, Yahoo, or Bing, it will pull that information and connect it back to LinkedIn. If it has a bunch of letters and numbers and all those things, it's going to fall through the cracks. So just make sure after you do that, that obviously you hit save and then you exit out. And then when you go on there, you'll see that your new personalized LinkedIn URL is now there. So if that's clear and if that makes sense, do drop a Y or a yes in the chat. If you're coming on late, please do say hi and where you're tuning in from, or hashtag live. Hashtag replay if you're watching this in the replay. Tag some people, share this video, like, love, support, react, and respond to this any which way you want. And please don't forget to head over to my profile, hit my follow button, and turn my LinkedIn notification bell on. Now, the second thing is you want to put a clickable link in your profile headline section. Now, you can see on mine right here, our #1 best-selling book. So when someone clicks on that, it's going to take them right to Amazon. I'll show you. It's going to take them right to Amazon. Let me go back really quickly. Let me share the screen one more time. All right. So if you click there, it's going to take you right to Amazon, where people can actually go and then buy our book right here. So the great thing is that now your LinkedIn clickable link is being used as a placeholder to take people wherever you want them to be taken to. So the fact is that you can actually have whatever clickable link that you want here. Maybe you want to book more sales calls, so you'll put your calendar link. Maybe you want more website visits, so you'll put your website link there. Maybe you want more people to download a free lead magnet or opt-in that you have. You'll put that link there. Wherever you want to take people to go, online to offline, you're going to do it in that section. And what you're going to do is you're going to click this little edit pencil right on the top right-hand side. You're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see custom button. Add a link that will appear at the top of your LinkedIn profile. So you're going to hit edit custom button. You're going to click on link, and this is where you would put the link to your website, your opt-in, your calendar, your book, your podcast, whatever it is. Now, the important thing is you want to have link text as well. If you don't add link text, it's just going to come up with the URL, and people will not know what it is that they're clicking on. They will have no clue what that is. So let people know with the link text exactly what it is that they're clicking on. So right there, you can see I have our #1 best-selling book. I click save. I click save again. And then there it is right here. So if that's clear and if that makes sense, just drop a Y or a yes in the chat below. I just want to make sure also that there's no issues with the chat box. So wherever you're watching live from, if someone can just type a Y or a yes, I just want to make sure that the comment box is active where you actually can do it. So anyone that's watching live, if someone just can quickly just type in the letter Y and then send or enter or whatever you have to do. I just want to make sure that everything is working logistically between the audio, video, and the streaming software that I'm using. So again, just going back really quickly, #2 is put a clickable link in your profile headline section. So #1, customize your LinkedIn profile URL. #2, put a clickable link in your profile headline section. Now, #3, make sure your about section is written in first person, is over 500 words in length, lists 10 to 20 skills, and has a clear call to action. So when we scroll down really quickly, I'm just going to show you right here, you will see this is my LinkedIn About section. So you can see right here, my profile About section is well over 500 words. It's 1748. You can see that it is written in first person. Okay. I'm telling my story, right? No one else is. I'm the one that's telling it. And then I have my skills. So I literally listed 10 to 20 skills that I have that people need to know I am highly skilled in. You want to list these. You literally want to type skills, colon, and then dash skill, dash skill, dash skill, dash skill until you have 10 to 20 different skills. Now, at the very bottom, you can see my call to actions. Website for more info, scottaaron.net. Email to contact me, scott@scottaaron.net. So you want to have that clear call to action. So over 500 words in length, written in first person, list 10 to 20 different skills, and have that specific call to action driving traffic online to offline. So again, I just want to make sure everybody is clear on this. So remember, number one, make sure that you customize your profile URL. Number two, make sure you put a clickable link in your profile headline section. And number three, make sure your About section is written in first person, is over 500 words in length, lists 10 to 20 different skills, and has a clear call to action. Anyone, again, that would like to download my free optimization infographic of how to optimize your LinkedIn profile the right way, just drop the word free in the comments at any point live or on the replay, and I will send you that link. So again, I hope you found today's training helpful. Love and gratitude, and I'll talk to you next time.